This spaghetti and beans combination is heavenly made match. Honestly, it is everything and more. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing with you how to make this delicious mouth-watering spaghetti and beans recipe. It is very comforting and satisfying, so make sure you give it a go after watching this video. I will start by introducing the ingredients to you, okay? All right, guys, so here are our ingredients. Yes, for you to make this spaghetti beans recipe, you need all these ingredients. This is our onions, diced already. So it is advisable you prep your ingredients before cooking. Here is our seasoning. Yes. Next, we have our thyme, dry thyme. As you can see, here is our bay leaves. Yeah, for the flavors, okay? Moving on to the next ingredient. Here is our tomato pepper mix. Here it consists tomato, long pointed peppers, bell peppers, the red one, ginger, garlic. Went ahead and blend and cook it until this point. We have our oil. Here is our spaghetti. Yes, one of the star ingredients. Go ahead and break it this way, okay? Here is our blended peppers. We're using 2 scotch bonnet and 2 long green finger peppers, okay? Next is our well-cooked beans. So you're going to cook your beans until soft and tender. The name of these beans is black eye beans, okay? All right, now having introduced the ingredient, you can screenshot it, okay? So you don't miss out on any. Now moving on to the main cooking. Get your pot and add some water to it. First, we're starting with our spaghetti. Yes, our beans is cooked already, so let's go ahead and parboil our spaghetti. Now, once the water comes to a boil, go in with your spaghetti. Followed by salt. And go in with some vegetable oil, okay? It will make it not to stick together. Afterwards, you give it a quick stir. And we're going to cover it up and allow to cook. We're not going to cook it completely, just halfway, yes. Now, checking back, and at this point, it is just looking like what we want. Cook it for 2 to 3 minutes, yeah, not for too long. Go ahead and save it, cover it, and set it aside. Moving on. In a pan or pot, go in with your vegetable oil. Make sure your pan or your pot is dry, okay? Once it is heated, go in with your diced onions. Afterwards, you give it a quick stir. Go in with your bay leaves and your dry thyme. We added just 2 dry bay leaves, and a teaspoon of dry thyme. Give it a quick stir and allow to fry for a minute. This is after 1 minute. Introduce your tomato pepper mix, okay? Now, stir. We're going to allow it to fry. Checking back after a few minutes. Give it a quick stir. At this point, we're going to introduce our seasoning and salt. Afterwards, stir it and cover it to continue frying, okay? Now, checking back again. Guys, because our pepper mix is well cooked, so we're not going to fry for a long time. So this is after frying for extra 2 minutes, yes. Now, introduce your spaghetti, your parboiled spaghetti, followed by your well-cooked, soft, tender beans. Okay, this is the 2-star ingredient to this recipe. Now you're going to combine them, okay? Combine them thoroughly. You're going to take your time. Don't rush it. Just take your time to stir everything, making sure that they are well combined. They are looking same. If this is your first time coming across my video, you are welcome to Oma Sport, where we share easy, delicious cooking recipes. So if it sounds interesting to you, please go ahead and subscribe. And remember to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos, okay? Now, go in with any of the stock you have. It could be your meat, your chicken, or fish stock. Here, I went in with my fish stock. If you don't have at all, you can make do of water. Now, we are going in with our blended peppers, okay? Go in with some water, let's say a cup or 1.5 cup of water. Now, introduce your curry powder and your salt. Stir everything in, okay? Please do not add much water. Remember, our beans is properly cooked. Our spaghetti is halfway. You just need little amount of water, okay? Just like what you are seeing on the screen. Feel free to adjust your salt or your seasoning, but make sure you do not over season, do not over salt, okay? And it totally depends on the quantity you're making, all right? All right, we're going to cover it up and allow to cook. Checking back after cooking for 2 minutes, guys. Now go on and use your spoon to adjust it, making room for the water to go down, all right? Just like you're watching me do. So we're going to cover it up again and allow the water to dry up some more. Not completely, yes, we still want it wet, no, juicy. At this point, I will advise you reduce your heat because we don't want it to burn. Checking back again after cooking for extra 1 minute. Guys, it is ready. Yeah, it is ready. Now go on and stir to well combine. Yummy. This is looking yummy. This is good, guys. If you've not tested or tried this combo before, this is an opportunity for you, okay? All you need to do is to follow the steps. They are pretty simple, very easy, okay? Look at that. I'm sure you're salivating. Just look at this goodness. Give it a go, okay? And there you have it. Our tasty, delicious, mouth-watering spaghetti and beans combo recipe is set. Give it a go, okay? And let me know how it turns out for you in the comments. Also, help me share it to your friends, families, and loved ones for them to try it out. Thank you. Now it is time to serve. Please serve with me as always. Oh my, this is looking good. Guys, this is lovely. Look at this goodness. Tell me you're not salivating already. Guys, tell me. We're going to be pairing it with some fried mackerel fish. Oh my word. Guys, you can pair it with any protein of your choice, all right? And we are done plating our dish. Next is to test it, okay? And we're going to be testing it together. Lovely. Try it out. Try it out, guys. You will love it. Now it is time to taste. Okay. Super delicious. It deserves good hair slapping. It tastes heavenly, guys. Give it a go. You will love it. All right, guys. We've come to the end of today's cooking. If you found it interesting, please go ahead and like it, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe as well. Thank you so much. See ya.